वेलकम बैक टू ईटिंग आउट. माय नेम इज गौरव. नाम तो सुना होगा. चलिए एक बात बताइए, व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड व्हेन यू हियर स्विट्जरलैंड? टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आप में से ज्यादातर लोगों का जवाब होगा स्विट्जरलैंड. यश चोपड़ा. Come on, it's obvious. He's made some great films in Switzerland. He's made Switzerland look like heaven. So that is the obvious answer. But on a more serious note, what comes to your mind? Lots of cows, some great greenery, very, very scenic locations. But aaj ke baad, all this is going to change forever, because the first thing that will come to your mind whenever you hear Switzerland from now on is going to be steak. And if you're wondering, steak? Kyun? Because ye koi aisa waisa steak nahi. This is a special steak.
Situated at the lower ground level of the Dubai Mall, Entrecote Café de Paris also has a close proximity to the Dubai Fountain. The complete open plan of the restaurant is for sure different from the others around it, and it does entice you to come in.
See, the best part about taking a look at the menu here at Entrecote Café de Paris is that this is a single menu concept. Now, this came into being in the 1930s in Geneva. There was a lady called Madame Boubière, and she, sort of made a sauce that would go well with her steak, and that became so popular. And the intelligent thing she did was she told nobody what ingredients were used in that sauce and how that sauce was really made. So that is a secret from the 1930s till today in 2010. 80 years ho gaye, and there's only one man in this whole world who knows what the secret of that sauce is. Now that sauce is supplied to wherever Inki franchise, or is supplied, is flown in specially from Geneva to wherever their restaurant is, and nobody else knows about it. And I think that's a fairly simple way of doing it. If you specialize in something, start a specialty restaurant, and that's what Entrecote Café de Paris is. So, ordering and eating is fairly simple. मैंने आपको बताया था this is a single menu concept. So once you've chosen from the three different types of steaks that you want to have, whether you want to have their steak from New Zealand, which is their original, or you want to have the Australian Angus or the Japanese Wagyu, वो choose करने के बाद meal standard है, starts with a salad, which actually looks like it's quite a lot.
हमने मंगाया New Zealand beef in the secret sauce, which comes along with salad and French fries.
Smells good. Also looks like a very different way of having steak, क्योंकि काफी सारा sauce है. It's almost like gravy. ऐसे कभी नहीं खाया मैंने steak इससे पहले. Thank you very much. This is certainly very, very different from any steak I've had in my life so far. It's very different to begin with. One thing that I could not figure out, like a lot of people in the world, was what went into this sauce. It had a very, very peculiar sort of taste, but you can't point your finger and say isme ye tha ya ye tha. Very nice, very different way of having it.
For dessert, I ordered fondant au chocolat.
Now this is one of the signature desserts here at Entrecote Café de Paris. This is something that you have to have, and I'm going to tell you the best part about this. This is made freshly à la minute. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब आप fondant और chocolat ऑर्डर करते हैं, तभी ये बनना शुरू होता है. और अगर आप इसे देखेंगे तो इसके अंदर बोलते हुए मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. टेक अ लुक एट दिस. इसके अंदर मोल्टन चॉकलेट है. ये अभी 20 मिनट अवन में बनकर आ रहा है. सो इफ यू टेक अ लुक एट दिस नाउ, you can see how fresh it is. Look at this. Chocolate in this state. It's delicious. Heavenly. देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं सेनोरिटा, और इस छोटे से देश में बड़े बड़े रेस्टोरेंट्स भी खुलते रहते हैं सेनोरिटा। आई होप आपको ऑन द कोर्ट कैफे दी परी में खाना देखकर मजा आया हो। देखिए, इट्स डेफिनेटली वेरी यूनिक एंड वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट। तो आपको एक बार आकर तो ये खाना चाहिए। अब मुझे यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा, पर आप कहीं मत जाइए क्योंकि ईटिंग अभी बाकी है सेनोरिटा।